Hello guys, welcome back to my channel Kishore the Rider, Hyderabadi Rider. So this is the today's lineup and now we are heading towards Himayat Sagar via Rajendra Nagar, and this is a breakfast ride, so hope you will like the video. And engine started, riders geared up, and here is the lineup. So we are heading towards Himayat Sagar Lake to enjoy the natural beauty which is like very near to Hyderabad. The beauty of the group rides is like this. Like if you see in the front, even though like different CC vehicles are available, still they go in a single line, following the instructions given by the lead and supported by the marshal and sweep. So let me take the lead position back again. So here I am, back to the lead position. Some information about the Himayat Sagar. Himayat Sagar Lake is has been constructed in the year 1927, and it was constructed by the last Nizam, like Mir Usman Ali Khan. Himayat Sagar Lake is one of the water sources for the twin cities Hyderabad and Secunderabad. It has supplied water, and this is one of the oldest reservoir in Hyderabad. And this is like very near, and there are like there is a temple nearby, Saudama temple, and people actually during the weekends most of the people just go and take darshan, and few people have some parties and all, and many people even come for the to enjoy the beautiful view of the Himayat Sagar Lake, where you'd be seeing the road completely toward like a very edge to the lake. At pillar number 217, if you are coming via Mehdipatnam, from pillar number 217, take right towards Rajendra Nagar, and the road is completely straight to reach Himayat Sagar.
Last I got that sinking in my stomach from that loss. Of course it's got me thinking's got me flummoxed from the cause. I just wanna know why some of us are guarded. I just wanna know why some of us are haunted.
One of the dangerous spots when you're traveling to Himayat Sagar, just make sure you are not talking on mobile, and just focus on the road whenever you reach this place, because this is one of the dangerous area where many accidents happen. So just be cautious when you are nearby this place. So here you would be seeing a barricade sometimes, but if it is not available, still keep your vehicle on the right side of the road. So here is the road which is like completely side of the lake. As you can see, there is a lake on my left side. Those who are traveling via this road, just make sure you are focusing on the road, not on the view. Once after you reach the viewpoint, you can enjoy the view, but this road is very dangerous, very short, and at the same time this road will be having so many curves and blind spots, and lorries, big trucks would be traveling via this route. So just be cautious when you are going on this route and pay attention. Once after you reach the destination, you can enjoy the viewpoint. As I said, see, the lorries would be coming completely towards the right during the curves, and as I said, there is a temple. So if you are walking through steps, you can reach the temple, or else from the front there is another way where you can take your vehicles to the top and enjoy the viewpoint. So whenever you are riding a Himalayan and whenever you see an off-roading track, you never stop, control yourself. So we have done a little bit off-roading here, and of course we have taken all the safety precautions when we are coming down. Now we are going back to the viewpoint to see the view how it looks.
Life